Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Wednesday, the day is 11th of September 2024. This is the second trading week of the month, and we are going to hop into the charts to find out the key levels for all the major currency pairs, which we will be using in the next week or maybe this week. Although most of the price action has been done today because of the news, and since we are not going to talk about the news and will only look at the charts, so you might not be able to ask anything related to news. And we'll try to find out the key levels from the forex majors using the candlesticks type of charts, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now we are very close to the key levels, so this day is very important as tomorrow we are expecting an expansion. So before moving on to the chart, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for enhancing your information or knowledge. Please do your own research before you put your real money on the line, or if you trade your real account, I mean. Now, for those who are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. The information that is being shared with you may be used to plan and execute the quality trading setups. So you will know if you just go through my previous webinars. It is just 15 to 20 minutes only, and you can really come to know that how important those levels are when you consider them seriously. Okay, the past performance is definitely not have any indication on the future performance, but still you can have an information how or why something happens. Okay, before I start this, I will also tell you that I am not authorized to give you any trading advice. So this video should be seen only as a source of information or knowledge. It's not a trading advice. Okay. So before I go to the next chapter, that is charts, let me take you through the disclaimer, because we are going to talk about the forex market, and forex markets are traded on the margin money, which is not suitable for everybody. So please understand these four paragraphs, that is the risk involved in trading the forex. Okay. Once we have understood this, then only move on to the next part, that is the charts. Right now on your screen, what you can see is a chart of the US dollar index. It is the daily chart. Something peculiar about this chart is that the price was going down and suddenly it moved up from this place like 100.50 level to all the way up to 101.78. In between, it halted here. After this halt on 9th of September, it went again to test this area. Now what is this, guys? Once the candle closes above a red candle which has traded a fair value gap, this was a fair value gap. Okay, I must draw it so that it can be explained, although I don't owe any explanation to this, but still I think you should know. Once some red candle has traded a fair value gap and a green candle closes above that red candle, the high of that candle acts as a support. This area, you can say this area 101.31 was a very good support level today. Okay, now again, this is an order block. Okay, so this is important. Now the good thing about here is, if today this candle closes above this high, then it will act as a propulsion block. Now what is propulsion block? As the name suggests, it will act like a candle. I'm just showing you. If it say closes here, then the price will come to this level and boom, like a rocket. As you can see in GBP AUD, what is happening. I have not checked today, but I'm sure that GBP AUD must be okay. No, it is not. I'm sorry. I was expecting some bullish move like this, but that did not happen. But if I ask you where it has come down, why it has come down, it has come down as this order block, or I will say this propulsion block high. Can you see that? So it is still able to stop the price, I think. If it is able to stop the price today or in other in other words, if I say that if the price is able to close above this candles, sorry, this line's high, then we can expect an explosive move tomorrow or day after. I hope you understand this part, right? So that is okay. From the US dollar in, point of view, I am expecting an up move here now. Above these highs, if we close, that will be even much better. And then we can go towards 103.33. But if you ask me personally, I would be looking for the selling opportunities in the US dollar till the time the price does not move above 103.33. So if the US dollar is going up, is the pound going down? Yes, the pound is going down, but the US dollar is going up more. Anyways, the pound is slowly giving up on the gains that it has gained from 1.2664, and we have also suggested that there is a possibility of the price going slowly and slowly to this level and then finding support and rising above. Although there are so many fair value gaps, or you can say that the price rose to all this way to 1.3265 very fast. So every time the price is trying to go lower, these fair value gaps are trying to give some support. Okay, although the most I'll say important fair value gap is this one here, this one, because this is the first fair value gap on the way up. So what I'm talking about is that I should only be looking for the buying opportunities in the pound with the targets of 1.3298 and higher. But right now, the market structure on the daily, the short-term market structure is down. Okay, but I should be looking for the buying opportunity. So when that can happen? That can happen only once the price breaks higher than a swing high. So this is the recent swing that price has made. Okay, 1.3238. Till the time this price is, I mean, till the time this price is holding, we should only be waiting, not looking for the selling opportunity, because this market is in a very good uptrend. It can reverse anytime. I hope you understood that. Same is with the euro. We are expecting an up move, but right now the price is going and making lower highs and lower lows. We are expecting an up move from 1.0949 to 1.0881, these levels. What will be the potential target? 1.1275 will be the potential target. An easy way to mark that is you make a channel and wait for the channel to break out like that, and then a retest of that will be opening a way for you to trade into 1.1275. Now, what about the Australian dollar? I think I told yesterday also that I am expecting an up move from here and then a rejection from this level. If the rejection doesn't occur and the price keeps moving up, then it means that Australian dollar is in an uptrend. Why I'm saying so? You see, from here the price made a lower low. That means it has taken this liquidity. Then it made a higher high and got rejected from the halfway, or you can say the fair value gap. Now, this is an indication that the price is being bought here and is going higher on the way up. If it is not getting any resistance from this previous low, which you can call breaker block, order block, whatever you want to call it, and if the price does not find any resistance here and keeps on rising, that means there is a fresh buying over here and the price is trying to go and touch the 0.6863 levels. This you should keep in mind. But if you remove everything which is related to ICT concepts, then you can see that 0.6697 is the resistance and the potential support is 0.657. New Zealand dollar here looks like it is very weak. Now, see, the Australian dollar is looking strong and the New Zealand dollar is looking weak. What does it mean? When we will go to the chart of Australian dollar against the New Zealand, we will see that the price is rising immensely. I mean, there will be a breakout for sure. Just to show you, boom. Can you see this? Why? Because Australian dollar is strong, New Zealand dollar is weak. Coming back to the New Zealand dollar again. So what does this chart suggest? This chart is suggesting that there was this breaker, I will say, because the price has made a low, high, lower low. Now this has become a breaker. If the price trades into it, that will be our opportunity to go short. Right now, because I will be looking only for the shorting opportunities, because this buy side liquidity is taken and now we will be targeting 0.5852, which is the sell side liquidity. I hope that is also understood. USD CHF, I said that stay away, although I am looking for the selling opportunity in the USD, but the US dollar CHF was going higher. Yesterday it closed lower, although day before yesterday it closed higher. So the price action is not clear here. So that's why I said stay away from this. Right now it is suggesting that the price is going to go higher, but I'll not be looking for any buying opportunity till the time the price is trading below 0.8538. Only above 0.8538 buying opportunities can be checked. Right now, no trade in this one. USD CAD although has broken out, closed above and tested that high 1.3621. Now you see that in this process it has just taken this liquidity and given us a bearish close. Although the bullish close and the low of that candle has not been breached, so there is a possibility that the price will keep going higher. But this candlestick after taking a high is an indication that sellers have entered at the higher prices and they will be trying for the lower prices now in the USD CAD. So only time will tell. I will say do not trade this pair right now. Tomorrow, if you find some support here and the price starts going higher, which I think will happen, if that happens, then only you should be buying this market. USD JPY, we have been telling about this that any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in this market. I was looking for the 140.24 that is not tested yet. Tomorrow or day after we can expect it. On the way up, if it starts going higher, then this should be on now your swing high. That is 143.795. Okay. What about the Bitcoin? Yesterday we saw an almost equal high to the high of 9th of September. Today the price went lower and was bought back immediately between this fair value gap. Now see, this fair value gap is a very strong thing. If somebody thinks that, oh, this is nothing, yes, this is everything. Okay, fair value gap, and it entered, and again some more buying is there. Now if some more buying is there, will keep going up. We are not sure because there is a bearish fair value gap also in this area. Okay, now if that now if there is a fair value gap in this area, that means even if the price goes here, it will be rejected. It is There is a possibility that it will get rejected and we can see lower prices in this one. Till the time the price does not reach here, we cannot be sure. And I'm expecting these prices to be reached because these are two equal highs, which I'm expecting to be taken out and then price getting rejected from that level. So what is my expectation here in this price? My expectation is that price will go here and then it will go like this. But in fact, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go with dustbin only at the end of the week or end of his life. Is the Brent trading. 69.31 was the target that is taken. Now I think it is, I think all the things that the Brent had to do is done because all this liquidity is taken. Now there is no point in going down from here. So what I'm expecting is that the price will go and check this 82.71 in the coming time. This is what my expectation is, and expect a lot of buying in the crude oil at the current prices because these are below 70. So I'm expecting a lot of buying in this. But right now, don't open buy position. Look for the buying opportunities only above 72.33 because that will be considered as a swing break. Gold, no breakout yet. The gold is still churning, and I am expecting more move like this only till few more days. And once the consolidation is over, we can expect an explosive move to the upside or the downside. Till now, there is no move, and this is my expectation from last 2 weeks. I think you can remember we made this in the month of August on 21st of August. Euro JPY, expect lower prices, keep expecting lower prices 154.42 and after that 153.17. These are my targets. Till the time these are not taken out, I'm not going to frame any other buying opportunity. GBP, AUD, although I'm looking for the higher prices, but today's price action is suggesting me that this is a bearish engulfing at the resistance. You may also think like this because every retail investor will or trader will see it like this only. Even I would have seen it like this only before a few days, but now I'm seeing this order block, and this order block has some importance. So I'm actually I'm very curious to know what will happen next. Let's see. Okay. Yes, this is important. CHF actually all our targets are taken. We were expecting 166.80. 166.80 is taken, and even the price has taken 166.56 also. You see what is the low of today's 166.56 exactly. So all our targets are taken in the CHF although there is more liquidity present below that level. But if it gives a close below that, I will be expecting 162.12. So my target on this is achieved. So I will not be looking for any selling opportunity right now. But yes, if the price is able to break below that level, If the price is able to break and close below that level, then I will be looking for that level to act as a resistance zone, and then I will be looking for a selling opportunity in this area here. Okay, with a small stop loss higher. Or in New Zealand, just now I said that Australian dollar is busy in buy with the buyers, so expect the price of 1.0907 to break very soon. Until the time this price is not broken, we cannot be bullish on this one also. Why? Because this is a downswing pivot, and till the time downswing pivot is not broken, we cannot expect an upswing. Okay? So simple, we are expecting 1.0907 to act as a resistance, and this low here can be expected to act as a support. Okay, see also this is the previous order block. Gas. I told you that even if the price, if it goes higher, then expect this what is it called, buy side liquidity to be taken. Now if the candle closes above these levels, if the candle closes above these levels, that will be seen as a different point of view, because if the candle closes higher like this one, if the candle closes higher and then retraces back to test this level as the fresh support, like what is it, you see, if something like this happens, okay, if something like this happens, then it will be a welcome move. The price has to close higher, get rejected from this level, get supported this level, then I can be buyer in this market. Otherwise, no. EuroCAD, we are looking for the lower prices, but these lower prices I am not expecting like this. I am expecting the price to at least trade this level, which is very crucial. If the price trades this bearish fair value gap, then coming back to 1.4576 will have some meaning, some logic. Till the time there is no logic, I am not looking for any sell in this. Yes, if the price rises from here, test this area, then I will be looking for a selling opportunity. Ethereum, okay, Ethereum is also, Ethereum is nothing. And there is no, not a very good price action. Look for selling opportunity only in the Ethereum also. That's all, guys. That's all from my side. The levels, more or less, our targets are achieved. The reversals are on the way. They are not reversed yet. So, I say no trading, not much trading today. Even in gold, there were no opportunities. Even in the Brent, the targets are taken. And yeah, more or less, there are very less trades today. So, I say stay away from the markets when they are not moving, and you should be actually on the sidelines right now. Now I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels from where you can frame your trades. Just remember, please do not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade. And whenever you are framing a trade, you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times that you are risking. And with this note, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat or in the comment section once the comment section is open when the video is published. And if you're new and you're watching this video, please consider subscribing to this channel, because we are here every day, Monday to Friday from 1700 GMT, and I'm live, so I can also answer your questions if you have any. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.